Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable autoplay on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. As you can see, when you hover over a video, the video is not playing automatically. To enable these settings, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. Tap on Playback in Feeds option. Select your preferred option from the pop-up menu. The changes has been saved. Go back to your YouTube home feed. Now when you hover over a video, the video will be played automatically. This is how you can enable autoplay on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.